Hey, Andy here from builderhottub.com. In this video, we're going to look at the build that Francisco is doing down in Chile. Let's go ahead and take a look. So hello and welcome to this new case study where we're going to follow the progress of Francisco from Chile and his DIY hot tub build. Now, Francisco's build is going to be slightly different to some of the others that we've seen on this channel and on the blog. Francisco's actually opting for a dual heating system. And instead of using one of the more conventional methods, so air source heat pumps or propane or natural gas with the electric heater, he's actually going for a coil fire pit heated hot tub. So it's going to be pretty cool. It's going to be very interesting to actually follow his progress as he moves through the build. So Francisco got in touch through the website and he actually had me do a custom design for him. Now, as with most projects, they actually develop as we move through the project itself. So the design that we've started with is not the design that is actually going ahead and building. And you can see the design that we've started with behind me. And here is the design that Francisco's now put together because he's got the newfound knowledge of how everything works. And this is kind of the whole process of the custom design. So whilst I can certainly put everything together for you, like I did for Francisco, what he's then doing is he's taking that knowledge and he's applying it and changing it as he sees fit on the build itself. So as I said, where we've started is definitely not where we're going to finish, but it's going to be a hugely interesting build, especially to see how the coil fire pit heated hot tub it's actually going to work. In terms of the coil fire pit heating, I have a couple of concerns over pressure and the potential for scalding because there's no actual mechanism to control how hot that water is going to be. Francisco said he's got all of this covered, so I'm certainly no expert in fire pit heaters. This is the first one that we're putting together, but as you know, on the channel, I do like a challenge. I do like something that's slightly different. So it's going to be super, super exciting to follow Francisco and his build. So whilst it's absolutely freezing here and it's snowing on this Saturday morning when I'm recording this video, you can see beautiful clear skies in Chile. The sun is out, it's nice and warm. I wish I was there rather than here. So anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at Francisco's build. Francisco, over to you.
Hey Andy. All right, so I think we finally finished moving dirt, which has been quite a lot. And unfortunately, it had to be done by hand. There's just no way that I could bring in any sort of machinery here without cutting up a section of the fence or taking out some of these trees, right? So what we have here, that's a 12 valve manifold that I have for watering most of the garden. You can see one of the pipes there. I'm going to use this as main source of water, so it'll go to the control room, which is going to be somewhere around there where you see that composter there, that black sort of barrel thing. And that's going to bring it to the fire pit, which is going to be where you see all those shells right there, right? And then back into the tub. So this is right now 90 centimeters deep. We're making a roughly 10 centimeters foundation, and it's going to go all the way up to 60 centimeters with the water line 10 centimeters below that edge. So everything else I'm going to cover with a wooden deck, very similar to that one, but probably a thinner wood. That one just bends too much. So yeah, this took 3 days, 3 people. It's all leveled, and we're ready to get started on the all the forms and the boards, and to get the pipes today, and we'll be rolling.
Francisco, thanks for that. I look forward to the next video and sharing it with the channel. Hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one. If you've liked this video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.